Welcome gunners! To start off this channel, we're starting out with a classic, the potato gun. This is the Alpha Potato Gun, appropriately dubbed as this is our very first gun and the beginning to our journey in the world of 3D printed airsoft guns. This model is fully upgradable and customizable. It fires on the principles of combustion, as it uses flammable gas as a propellant, in this case hairspray, and ignition using a taser. These are our ammo, all 3D printed and customized for future features. But for now, we fire them the old-fashioned way, manually. We start by placing a single bullet inside the front end of the barrel. Next, we use the rod to push it to the bottom. Next, we pump in some air using the bicycle pump. If it is the first time firing the gun, not a lot of air is needed as it is still full of natural air. But if you are firing it for the second or third time, we need to fill it up manually. With this pump, I use 50 pumps to get the right amount I need. Depending on the pump you use, the total number could vary. After pumping the air, we need to spray in some gas. We open the top, spray gas for 1 second, and close the top. Now we're ready to fire. Let's start by shooting the target. Firing! 3, 2, 1. Let's go check how far it went in. Okay, so the first shot went straight through. It went straight through our approximately 10 centimeters thick styrofoam wall. Okay, let's go find out what the others do. Okay, so we can see all of them went straight through. But unfortunately we can see I'm not that great of a shooter. Oh well. Next up we have these ice targets. Made with water, they are easy to make, environmentally friendly, and I don't have to clean up anything afterwards. I shoot, they get destroyed, and the grass gets some water as the targets melt. This is a 2 centimeter thick piece of ice, and we're gonna see if I can break it using the Alpha. This is a 5 centimeter piece of ice. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if we can shoot through them. Okay, so you've seen that the Alpha can shoot regular 3D printed ammo. But what about this? These are regular hard paintballs that usually fires with a paintball gun. But let's see if the Alpha can fire them just as good as the paintball gun does. I'll fire on the left target because we're saving the right target for a very special occasion. Firing! 3, 2, 1. Dang! Look at that. I guess no matter what we shoot through, we're going all the way through. Nice! So, we know Alpha can shoot regular 3D printed ammo, as well as paintball ammo, all by using a regular piece of 20mm PVC pipe I bought from my local hardware store. Okay, so we know Alpha can shoot paintballs, but let's compare it to a real paintball gun. This is the part we've all been waiting for. Alpha versus a real paintball gun. Each round we will be firing the same type of ammo and rate the performance of each gun. We'll start with normal green paintballs. Green paintball out of the Alpha. Okay guys, you gotta admit mine has a lot more firing power. Next up we have the solid 3D printed ammo, which you can make regularly. 3D printing your own ammo is a good way of getting rid of old filaments. Since the part doesn't have to look good, you're just gonna fire it down the barrel anyway. Well, that's weak. 3D printed ammo out of the Alpha. Dude, I love this gun. Followed by the black solid paintballs. Okay. Not too bad. Dude, I really love this gun. Great. Now for the heavy duty stuff. Here we have a solid steel 17mm ball. It fits nicely down the barrel in both guns. So let's fire it and see how they perform. Out of the potato gun. A paintball gun. Dude, that thing sucked. Solid steel ball out of the Alpha. Dude, that thing's gone. Okay, so you've seen that Alpha can outperform the paintball gun any day of the week. No matter light ammo, heavy ammo, 3D printed ammo, you name it, the Alpha can beat the paintball gun. The paintball gun lacks the necessary force to fire heavier ammo, whereas Alpha, the potato gun, doesn't have that limitation. And guys, even though this is not a real gun, don't go ahead and shoot other people or animals. Remember, guns are not the problem, it's the people who misuse them. If you like the gun, go and support this channel by grabbing yourself a copy and building your own version of the Alpha potato gun. If you want to know how to build the gun, click on this video and I'll see you next time.